Welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope everybody's doing good. We're back, boys. Took a couple days off there. Was busy doing things, but we're live, happy, healthy. Hope everybody else is doing good as well. Let me just get a couple things going here on my phone. What was this? This was news. CPI in the month. Sheesh. First look at this. I'm feeling a little short. I feel like we could come get the bottom of the CPI. This news data. This news candle. But we did pull into the VWAP. 830 bottom is down at 90.46. Alrighty. This is 22,100. 52, so almost 100 off there. Opening print price was the 22,017s. Opening print price there. Excuse me. Decent little bounce off the VWAP. Decent little move off the VWAP so far. Overall price is being accepted. Thinking about finding a spot here. Market's been open for 10 minutes though. Opening print price for these 17s. Not really that big of a range so far. Only about 30 points first 10 minutes. Market's been pretty tight. Yeah, I'm feeling like the bottom of this news candle. And then this overnight bottom here. Or this, what price does this line up with? Yeah, yesterday's peak. Yeah, I mean... Excuse me. We're bouncing off the VWAP right now. We had this big news candle at 8:30 for CPI. And right now we're giving back most of this candle. Usually we trade to the other side of this, so maybe these 950s are in conversation. Retesting the VWAP now. No reason to force anything. Be patient. We got 3 minutes for the first 15-minute range to be set. Excuse me. Look how steep this is. Oh, why'd that happen? Not what I asked for. Topstep. This line here is pretty steep that we've respected all the way through. Still pushing off the VWAP right now. Price hasn't really gone anywheres. We're hanging out. Pretty small opening range for the first 15 minutes here. Minute and a half till the full thing closes. I'm feeling the bottom of this candle is fairly it's in danger. I think it could definitely come trade to the bottom of this CPI candle, and then from there we have overnight lows that are offering some pretty equal lows that could be interesting. It's also yesterday's line in the sand price, so we have some options right now. Just hanging out, letting the first 15 minutes play out. No reason to force any trades. Keep your capital protected. All that. Hope everybody's doing well though, and everybody's accounts are doing good. Everybody's energy is up. It's Tuesday, baby. No, today's Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. Listen to me. I'm all over the place. Today is Wednesday, me friend. Getting a dip into the VWAP still. Still a tight range. First 15 minutes are about to be put in now officially. I'm going to get our box drawn. We're compressing in the bottom and end of this 15-minute range. We're still trying to hold VWAP. EMA is right above. If we can get up above this 50%, I'd be interested to play long. Otherwise, we get below VWAP, I'm going to be playing short. Short targeting these overnight equal lows, possibly the bottom of this candle as well to 45. It's only about 20 points from here, so that's a pretty tight trade. Pushing out of the bottom of 15 minutes now. Let's see the reaction. I want to see buyers and sellers gauge some strength off this move. Apologize. Nice good old yawn. Good old yawn. They're trying to see if they want to hold the VWAP up here. If the EMA, if we can get back above and hold this, then we can play long. Otherwise, if we give up this EMA and VWAP here, we're probably going to be looking a little lower. Here's our first attempt. We're giving up the VWAP, pushing out at the bottom of the 15-minute range now. Will we find continuation? There's the candle sweep of the low. There's the candle sweep of the low. We're trying lower now. Getting into the 920s after giving up that VWAP like we were talking about. Pressed outside of the 15-minute range, and now we're trying the bottom of this candle. Overnight equal lows is about 880s, about 40 points from here. Depending on how big this pop is, we can take a short back to the bottom of this. We are trying into this this range again. Sellers are looking pretty strong right now, able to hold price down here. We're going to pop back into this EMA slash this data low. I'm going to try it. Might be a little early depending on, but we're going to take a swing at it here. We're looking for the 46s. EMA is at the 53, so we're really going to try to get closer to that depending on what happens here. If we get a pump up here, I actually would like the 49s to be my entry rather than the 46s, but we'll see. Let's see where price gets volatile. See if we can get the 47s. We're definitely going to be in here. Trick is are we going to hold? EMA is right above us. Our stop's a little tight here, being at the 15-minute range. 49 would have been the tighter entry. Yeah, we were a little loose with our entry, so we got penalized there for it. A little loose with the entry. We're still here, though. Still where I want to be interested. Still where I want to be interested. We just got to see this give up now. We're above the VWAP if we do get a retest of that, so. Strong pop there. Got to see the sellers respect this. Otherwise, we're on the wrong side of it. Got to see sellers defend this VWAP try here. We're pushing back into the 15. If this is defended, we're probably going to push back up into the 15-minute range, into the 50% there and everything. Otherwise, we might get a retest of this bottom here. Got to see the VWAP be defended. That's going to be our only savior. Yeah. Couldn't get there. Couldn't get that move I was looking for there, and that's a fast, it's a fast account right there. We swept that a low. Expected lower. I didn't expect this to just rebound like that. VWAP is being reclaimed. They're finding direction now. 916. Yeah. Strong push so far, about 60 points. more bullish than I was anticipating there off that reaction. Bummer. That is a bummer, boys. That is has an attempt. Possibly a pullback into the VWAP. Getting a test of the 50% now. We're going to be really precise with our entry here, but it can work. And 16. They're trying to do an 85 push here. Decent strength right now. Seeing some good strength from these buyers. Pushing back to the 50% of this. See the reaction here at this 50% of the 15-minute range. If we can get some, get a closure here, it'd be more strong. Otherwise, we might push back towards this VWAP for another test of this breakout. Yup. Yup. Sometimes she works, sometimes she don't, gentlemen. I don't think think I'm on the right side of it this time. It's a decent try. Look for the long here now. Not sure if we're going to be able to, but this is what we're looking at. There's a strong move. We were hoping that was just going to get a little tap, but we got the whole reaction there. That to me is price being supported. Push into the 15-minute range. We got killed out of it. Reclaimed it strong. Got a VWAP reclaim. Tested it again. And now we're back up to this top. I feel like buyers are definitely interested in this. I feel like we're early in our entry here to try to get back in this, but we're going to see. I'd like to see price just give us a tap and go here. Back to the 50%. We're gonna get a fill here at the bottom of this. It's got to be quick, so we'll see what happens. Doesn't feel like my best chances, but especially if we give up this EMA here. Giving up this EMA here wouldn't really be indicative of what we're looking for. Seeking a fill here. Took two shorts after that. After that low was already taken, so that was our mistake. That was our little mistake there. Seeking a fill here at the VWAP. We don't have very much wiggle room in drawdown. Just looking for a fill here. Well, that's how close we were to just getting that done. So, my God, my luck. I don't even know. I was looking for a tiniest little fraction there. Tiniest little fraction there. Could not get it. Excuse me. Now we gotta time this, and this is just gonna be difficult. Just got missed by a tick, otherwise we'd be in this trade. We got missed by a tick. Dude, we just get missed by... Oh, gentlemen, that is all we wrote. Nah, I should have... Nah. We wanted to get in here. We just got in a little too unaligned with it. Was I not? I was just trading on one account. Oh my god. It's just kind of showing the mindset that I'm in. I'm a little tired still, a little fatigued. Had a long little session there. Five, 4, 6, 5. All right, like that never even happened. Wait, what is this? Little information, eh? Starting to reclaim, starting to try to get higher here. We're still at the 50%. Haven't really gone anywhere since this breakdown. A little lower, something more like D-ish. Not sure we're going to get it. We're still looking long here for an entry down around the 70s. And I will be right back. I will be right back.
Order filled.
Let's pass a trade while going to the bathroom. Awesome. Very happy with that. Cool. Sorry, I've been very just lame for me today, honestly, people. I know, I recognize. I recognize my energy's not quite there today. I'm trying, but word. Well, I want to hang out today, boys, but I got stuff I gotta do. I know haven't been exactly crushing, but I gotta go back to work. Come back tomorrow. Hopefully, pass these accounts, and then that will be Thursday. Can trade on them. Can trade on them as well tomorrow, and then Friday will be. Yeah, we'll see. Oh, Jesus. But I really appreciate you guys. Anyone here watching, it means a lot that you're hanging out. I hope your trading goes well today and you can make some money. Be safe. Keep your account going. Get some sun. Once the trading day is done, get outside, drink some water. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. And again, thank you so much for stopping in, hanging out. It means a lot. Sorry to end the stream a little bit early today, but I got to go. I have somewhere I got to be. And you guys got this anyways. We're getting closer towards the top of the 50-minute range. And yeah, good luck. Take it easy. Like if you haven't. Subscribe if you're not. Drink some water. Take care, guys.